ODM leader Raila Odinga has slammed his opponents for associating BBI with 2022 succession politics, saying the sole aim of constitutional amendment was to increase funds to counties in a bid to foster development at grassroots level. He made those comments in Kisii County as a meeting of ODM women leaders in Nairobi resolved to take the BBI message to the counties now that the bill had gotten a nod from majority of county assemblies. Waihiga Mwaura tells us more on a day that Kilifi County became the 42nd county to endorse the Constitutional Amendment Bill 2020.
After paying his respects to the late Bonchari Member of Parliament Oro Oyoka in Kisii County this morning, ODM leader Raila Odinga waded into national politics, castigating a section of politicians allied to Tanga Tanga for opposing the Building Bridges initiative at its earliest stages without necessarily understanding what it was all about.
Wengine walikuwa wanapinga BBI. Mimi nikasema wanapinga kwa sababu hawaelewi. Wengine walianza kupinga hapa kama ilikuwa jandiko. Mimi nilikuwa nauliza mnapinga nini? Simungoje kwanza jiji mtoto pale jazaliwa unajua kama ni mwanaume au msichana.
Raila slammed his opponents for linking BBI with 2022 succession politics, stating that the next president of Kenya, when Uhuru Kenyatta retires in August next year, will be decided and voted in by Kenyans at the ballot. Kisii Governor James Ongwae, on his part, drummed up support for the BBI bill, promising to lead in public sensitization ahead of the much-hyped June referendum.
I do know that this is a document that is going to give resources to the counties and to the wards, and I do know that you are the father of devolution.
Meanwhile, it was at this same function where Dagoretti North Member of Parliament Simba Arati and his South Mugirango counterpart Silvana Sosoro used the platform to put aside their political differences, reconciling in public.
Lakini mimi mwenyewe binafsi, if Bobasi constituency with so many registered voters, it is not going to be divided. Hata kama nitabaki peke yangu kwa ballot, I'll vote no.
Unajua tulikuwa tunadhania ile upinzani ilikuwepo. Kumbe ilikuwa ni moto wa makaratasi. Lakini nyinyi sasa mmetuonyesha kwamba ukweli ninyi mmeshikilia nchi yetu.
After the function, Honorable Raila Odinga later on commissioned the Ugunja branch of the Kenya Medical Training College in Siaya County, promising further goodies at the counties if the BBI bill was passed.
This is why we are keen to protect existing devolved funds, create new ones, and evolve more. It is the reason we have proposed through the BBI to increase allocation to counties from the current 15% to minimum 35%.
Meanwhile, in Nairobi County, ODM women leaders have urged Kenyans to rally behind the proposed constitutional amendments through the Building Bridges initiative to resolve the long-standing gender parity row. Led by nominated Senator Beatrice Kwamboka, Kwale Woman Representative Zuleika Hassan, and ODM Women League Chair Beth Siengo, the leaders dismissed opponents of the BBI process, claiming the country will end up with a bloated parliament, insisting that the two-thirds gender principle remained a mirage 11 years after a new constitution was promulgated.
Mimi ninakaa katika ile bunge ya seneti. Ikifika wakati wa kupiga kura, sisi watu tunaitwa flower girls. Lakini asante kwa rais wetu Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta na party leader baba Raila Amolo Odinga kwa kuleta BBI. Kwa sababu come 2022 wamama tutajitokeza na tutakuwa pale kwa seneti, itakuwa 50-50. What a man can do, a woman can do better.
Ya kwanza, for the first time toka 2010 tutakuwa na 2/3 rule pale National Assembly. Mnajua toka bunge 2013 tunajaribu kupitisha sheria zinaangushwa na baadhi ya wanaume. Paka hii 2017 tulipoingia tumejaribu tena. Simejua tumejaribu kama mara 3. Kila masaa wanaangusha. Sasa BBI ina solve your issue once and for all.
Finally, Kilifi County became the 42nd county to endorse the BBI bill after a public participation exercise was conducted in 35 wards. The motion to adopt the report of the Constitution Amendment Bill was tabled by Majority Leader Kadenge Mwathethe and seconded by his deputy Sami Ndago before being unanimously passed by the County Assembly. So far, 42 county assemblies have passed the bill, with 2 counties, Baringo and Nandi, rejecting the bill. In addition, the bill's fate in Uasin Gishu, Elgeyo Marakwet and Mandera is currently unknown, as the county assemblies there are yet to take a vote on it. Wahiga Mwaura, Citizen TV.